Dialogs are an effective method of presenting information to a user in a way that demands attention. A dialog can be set to appear over other widgets and can also be a modal style. To create a dialog, we will select the widget and drag to size on our interface page. The Properties tab has a number of options. We'll choose Draggable and Modal. Float on top is selected by default. When we run this in the browser, you will see an empty dialog is displayed on page load. Outside elements of the page are inaccessible because the dialog is in modal mode. A dialog has maximize and minimize buttons included by default. The positioning of these functions is based on the parent container. Back in Studio, we'll do some more advanced functions with the dialog. First, notice that the dialog widget is a compound widget, meaning it's made up of several other widgets. In the outline view, you can see the structure of widgets making up a dialog. You can select and modify these elements individually, such as adding events, styling, and sizing. We will change the title to Alert. With the dialog selected, we will choose the Closed by Default property. This will suppress the dialog until we invoke its visibility. We will add a script to the Show Dialog button. The Wakanda reference to the dialog, .display dialog. Choosing the Interface Page to Include property allows you to specify the path to an interface page that will be displayed in the dialog. We already have an interface page named dialog.html. Components can also be utilized as dialogs. We have a web component named Select Company. We will drag a component widget to the interface page and add Select Company to the path property. We will also choose Modal and uncheck Load by Default. Then we will add an on-click event script to the Show Component button. We'll load the component, Wakanda reference to the component, .load component. Now, when we save and reload in the browser, you can see the dialog only displays when the button is clicked, and the dialog.html interface populates the dialog's body. Also, we can open the component version of a dialog.